Have you ever wondered how waking up just 1 hour earlier could transform your life? Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about most interesting book The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, a book that promises to revolutionize your mornings and boost your productivity. But does it live up to the hype? Robin Sharma is a renowned leadership expert, and in the 5 a.m. Club, he shares his philosophy of waking up at 5 a.m. to unlock the full potential of your day. But it's more than just a morning routine. This book is about building habits that lead to success. So let's review the book chapter wise. Chapter 1: The morning routine that will change your life. In this opening chapter, we are introduced to the central premise of the 5 a.m. Club that waking up at 5 a.m. can drastically improve your productivity, health, and overall well being. This chapter sets the stage for the importance of morning routines and hints at the dramatic impact the victory hour, the first hour of your day, can have on your life. Sharma begins with a conversation between two key characters, the struggling entrepreneur and the artist, who are both stuck in their lives feeling burnt out and unfulfilled. They are introduced to the billionaire mentor who shares the secret of his extraordinary success, his daily routine of waking up at 5 a.m. and following the 20-20-20 formula. This chapter does a great job of establishing the problem, feeling stuck and unproductivity, and the potential solution, the 5 a.m. wake up call. Chapter 2: The 5 a.m. Club: How Waking Up Early Changes Everything. This chapter explores the science of early rising and the profound effects it has on the brain and the body. Sharma explains how waking up at 5 a.m. allows individuals to use their time more effectively, access the golden hours of the day, and leverage the time solitude of early mornings to reflect, exercise, and learn. Here, Sharma introduces the 20-20 formula, breaking down the first hour of the day into three parts: 20 minutes of exercise, 20 minutes of reflection, and 20 minutes of learning. The goal is to optimize the body, mind, and soul to set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Sharma emphasizes how these activities can help us move from the state of chaos and overwhelm to one of clarity, focus, and joy. Chapter 3: The Victory Hour. In this chapter, the billionaire mentor explains in detail why the victory hour, the first hour of the day, is essential for creating momentum in life. The chapter builds on the ideas from the previous one, stressing that the first hour of your day is when you can maximize your energy and focus to achieve peak performance. Sharma provides further details about the 20-20-20 formula, offering actionable tips on how to structure this hour for optimal results. The first 20 minutes are devoted to physical exercise, helping the body wake up, reduce stress, and increase endorphins. The next 20 minutes are for reflection, journaling, meditation, gratitude practices, or simply planning the day. The final 20 minutes are for learning, which could include reading, listening to a podcast, or studying. Sharma insists that by incorporating these three elements, you can vastly improve your overall productivity, health, and mindset, creating momentum that will carry you throughout the day. Chapter 4: The 5 a.m. Club's Genius Hour. Sharma continues to elaborate on the victory hour, emphasizing the genius hour concept. This section introduces the idea that the first 60 minutes of your day should be treated as a sacred ritual that can accelerate growth. The billionaire mentor explained how this hour is a time to reconnect with your highest self, get into a state of flow, and start creating work that matters. The genius hour is about cultivating deep work, enhancing creativity, and ensuring that you are in the best possible mental and physical state to take on the day's challenges. Sharma suggests that incorporating high value activities such as planning, writing, and problem solving during this time will lead to exponential success. Chapter 5: The Artist 5 a.m. Moment. This chapter introduces the artist who is struggling to find direction in her life. The billionaire mentor takes her on a journey to help her unlock her creative potential. The artist, like the entrepreneur, is stuck in a cycle of dissatisfaction, but by learning to apply the 5 a.m. formula, she finds clarity, focus, and a renewed sense of purpose. Here, Sharma dives deeper into the role of creativity and how it flourishes when you dedicate intentional time to it. The idea that creativity is the byproduct of mental stillness is emphasized, as is the notion that your best work comes when you are well rested, focused, and inspired. Chapter 6, The 20-20-20 Formula Explained. In this chapter, Sharma breaks down the 20-20-20 formula in detail, offering more practical guidance on how to implement it. He provides specific examples of activities you can do within each 20-minute segment to maximize the benefits of your morning routine. He stresses that first 20 minutes should focus on physical movement to energize your body. The next 20 minutes on reflection, which could include journaling, gratitude exercises, or meditation. And the final 20 minutes should be spent on learning, whether through reading, listening to inspiring content, or studying something new. Sharma also talks about the concept of the ideal day, a template for structuring the rest of your day based on the momentum generated in the victory hour. He suggests that structuring the first hour of your day gives you a clear roadmap to follow throughout the rest of the day. So, guys, this was the full review of the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, which is a comprehensive guide to mastering your mornings and unlocking your highest potential. Through its fictional, narrative, and actionable advice, the book introduces a compelling argument for the transformative power of early rising. By following the 20-20 formula and dedicating the first hour of your day to exercise, reflection, and learning, you can achieve greater productivity, creativity, and well being. So, guys, if you liked the review, do like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments if you want any specific book review. Until then, bye bye.